The National Center of Meteorology has denied the reports, claiming that the surface depression is over, clarifying that there is no truth to this circulating rumors. This news is not true. Currently, the country is still affected by the surface depression as the moment we are experiencing heavy rain in Abu Dhabi, Dubai and Dubai others area. Stated weather forecaster Maha Al-Hashemi from the National Center of Meteorology to the Direct Line program broadcast. Al-Hashemi also provided an update on the current weather conditions, revealing the presence of grey cloud in various areas of the country, accompanied by intermittent rainfall of varying intensity. Lightning and thunder have also been observed sporadically. The meteorologist mentioned that the cloud cover is expected to gradually decrease through the night and Sunday morning, with the eastern and southern regions of the country